says ideas about comparing fractions. Okay, session 3 of our lesson 24, understanding comparing fractions. So write this. Wait, did we do this already? No, we didn't. We did. All right. On your composition book, give me a blank page. Okay. Grab a crayon. Okay. And in big numbers, write a fraction that's less than 3/4. Go. Great job. I could have 1/4 or 2/4. Okay. As a fraction that's less than. Oh. Okay, that's rude. It says write a fraction less than 3/4 that has the same numerator. So, guess what? Somebody has wrote this 3/8, and you also wrote 3/7. That's right. Good job. But I'm also going to accept the other one because that's also all the other fractions you guys did was also less than 3/4. Okay. Okay. But we always need to remember. Oh, and somebody wrote this 3/6, which is a half. Yes, that's also right. So I should have read the rest of it instead of just stopping at 3/4. It says write a fraction less than 3/4 that has the same numerator. So that means the number at the top has to be the same, right? Okay. And my denominator just has to be greater than 4. That's it, and you're good to go. It says draw an area model or number line, okay, to show 5/8. All right. I'll draw a number line. Follow along. This is 0 is here. This is 1. 5/8. I have to divide this into how many sections? How many sections? My denominator, the number at the bottom, tells me how many are total. So again, how many sections am I going to need? 8. I could just divide it in half, right? That's 2. Divide each of those sections in half, and then divide those sections in half. Now that's 8. Then it says, explain how to find a lesser fraction with the same denominator, okay, and give an example. So first of all, I need to find where 5/8 is. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. That's where 5/8 is. Okay, 5/8 is right there. How can I find a fraction that's less than that with the same denominator? So they're all going to be 8, right? How can I do that first? Anybody have any ideas? This is 5/8 right here. Could I label the rest of the number line?
Yes.
So what's the first line?
1/8.
1/8. Keep going.
2/8.
2/8.
3/8.
3/8.
4/8.
Whoops. 8s. And then 4/8. Okay. Explain how to find a lesser fraction. Well, just label the rest of the number line. And all of these right here are less than 5/8. Okay. It says Jace and Leanna each bake a loaf of bread. Jace cuts his loaves into halves, and Leanna cuts her loaves into thirds. Jace says that their loaves show half is less than a third. Who's correct? Okay, Leanna says they do not. Who's correct? Yeah. First of all, in order to me to be able to compare things like this, okay, they have to be the same size. Are the bread loaves the same size? No, they're not. So that's how I explained it. And Leanna's correct. Okay. Says Mario on page 531. Mario paints 2/6 of a wall in his bedroom. Maylin paints 2/4 of a wall in her bedroom. The two walls are the same size. So if I'm going to make a square, so here's a wall. Let me move it over here. Here's a wall. And here's a wall. Okay, they're about the same size. Okay. 2/6 is the first one, right? So I divide that into 6 first. 4ths is the next one. So I'm going to divide that into 4ths. And then highlight all the stuff. You could use a highlighter. Makes it easier. So 2/6 is this. I highlight 2 sections. And then 2/4 is this one. Like this. Then it says the two walls are the same size, which the rectangles are the same size. Explain how you know who paints more of the wall. So how do I know who paints more of the wall?
One is filled in more than the other.
Yes. One wall, one model is filled in more than the other. You're right. Okay. So who actually painted more of the wall? Maylin or Mario?
Maylin.
Maylin did.